So good evening class, and today we will start ethics. This is a new subject in your fourth semester, and I will be taking the chapter Principles of Business Ethics. Okay, Principles of Business Ethics. Now let me tell you, this ethics is a very boring subject. To be very honest, it's a very boring subject. Okay, because in this subject we will deal with moral principles, values and everything. So ছোটবেলা আমরা সেই moral science and stories, moral stories পড়তাম. This is that sort of a thing. Okay, this ethics subject is actually dealing with all those moral principles, values and many other things. Okay, but this is the very boring subject. Means for me it's a very boring subject, but actually the subject has its own depth. If you need to understand ethics, you need to have that sense of depth. But now for graduation and for getting marks in this subject, you just don't need so much of depth also. But yes, if you do further studies like masters and all, again you have to deal with this subject. Okay, so this actually will confuse you a lot. This subject will confuse you a lot, like which path to select, this or that. And ultimately what my findings is that ultimately if we see things in a different way, then everything is correct, nothing is wrong, everything will seem correct. Ethics is this kind of a subject. Okay, so suppose what is ethics now? Okay, let's start. So my chapter is Principles of Business Ethics. I'm telling you, this is a boring chapter, very boring chapter. Okay, chapter means the subject itself is not that interesting. But yes, if a student finds depth, understand the depth of this chapter, then it's interesting. Otherwise it is a boring chapter. It was boring for me also during my college days. Oh, actually during my master's days. In graduation we didn't have ethics at that time. Okay, so anyways, thank God we didn't have this subject. Okay, so what is Principles of Business Ethics? Now what is this term ethics? We have heard this term ethics. Okay, we know that we know this term ethics and ethics, be ethical and all, we know this term. Then what does the meaning of this term ethics is? What does the term ethics means? Okay, this word ethics has been derived from a Greek word ethos. This word ethics has been derived from a Greek word ethos, which means what? It means character or accepted behavior. It means character or accepted behavior. Correct? So the term ethics is derived from a Greek word ethos, which means what? Character or accepted behavior. Character of a person or the behavior that I am expecting from a person, and that is acceptable in the society. All behaviors are not acceptable. There are certain behaviors that are only acceptable in the society. Correct? Like you are coming to college and using slang over there openly in front of teachers, students and everybody. That is not an acceptable behavior from your side as a student in your college premise. This defines your character. This actually defines the way you think. What is your perspective? This defines your character. So ethics deals with this character, ethics deals with this accepted behavior. Correct? See, in my notes, it has been given, the Oxford Dictionary states ethics as the moral principle that governs a person's behavior or how an activity is conducted. So ethics deals with what? It deals with the moral principle. It deals with the moral principle. What moral principle? Moral principle that governs a person's behavior, that governs how a person behaves, the principle that is within a person which defines the behavior of a person. We can see this ethics, we can actually see this thing, we can actually understand this ethical behavior, the variation in ethical behavior, if we see the persons around us. Everyone is not of same nature. তোরা দেখবি আশেপাশের লোকজনকে দেখলে বুঝতে পারবি the principles are different. Sometimes we connect to some people and sometimes we cannot connect to some people. College, you have a certain circle, you have a circle of friends, you have a specific and definite friend circle. Why? Because in this circle the persons present, you can match your principles with their principles. That's why you are together. Similarly, again there is another friend circle, and this both friend circle will never come together. Why? Because their principles varies, their character varies, তাদের ক্যারেক্টার ভ্যারি করে, তাদের প্রিন্সিপাল, তাদের বিবেক বিবেচনা বোধ সব কিছু ভ্যারি করে। দ্যাটস ওয়াই দে আর নট টুগেদার। তাদের ক্যারেক্টার ডিফার করে। আমরা কিন্তু সবার বন্ধু হতে পারি না, আমরা কিছু কিছু নিজেদের সিলেক্টেড ফ্রেন্ডস তৈরি করি। ওয়াই? বিকজ উই ফিল যে এদের সাথে উই কুড কানেক্ট, আর আদার্স যারা তাদের সাথে কানেক্ট করতে পারবো না। তাই জন্য কি তারা কোনোদিন বন্ধু পাবে না? এমন না, তারাও পাবে, তাদের সঙ্গে আবার অন্য কারোর মিল হবে। দিস ইজ এথিক্স। It deals with the character, it deals with the behavior that is acceptable based on the place where you are standing. Okay? This is ethics. Now what is business ethics then? If this is ethics, then what you will say business ethics. What is business ethics? So business ethics is what? It refers to the code of conduct. It refers to the code of conduct. Business ethics refers to the code of conduct which a businessman is expected to follow. It refers to the code of conduct which a businessman is expected to follow. একটা ব্যবসায়ের কাছ থেকে আমি যেটা এক্সপেক্ট করতে পারি, একটা ব্যবসায়ের কাছ থেকে যেটুকুনি আমরা অ্যাজ কাস্টমার্স, আমরা অ্যাজ ক্রেডিটার্স, আমরা অ্যাজ ডেটার্স, আমরা অ্যাজ শেয়ার হোল্ডার্স এক্সপেক্ট করতে পারি, অ্যাজ গভর্নমেন্ট আমরা এক্সপেক্ট করতে পারি, দ্যাট ইজ বিজনেস এথিক্স। সব জায়গায় কিন্তু এথিক্যাল প্রিন্সিপালস আছে, whether in no matter what, in every profession there is ethical principles which we need to follow. That is the accepted behavior. Now তোরা বলবি ম্যাম how can you define this accepted behavior? Everything is accepted. Actually this moral thing, this moral issue is a very sensitive issue, and people these days do not understand these things. We are accepting everything after all. Correct, we accept everything. কলেজে এসে যে কেউ স্ল্যাং ইউজ করছে না হচ্ছে এমন তো না, হচ্ছে। বাট হোয়াট we just deny all this. We just deny all this. See, I will talk practically. So if somebody is feeling bad about this, who actually uses slang, then I have nothing to do. Okay, so I have to teach this subject in a very practical manner. It's okay that you're using a slang, okay, it's okay, fine, but that behavior is not an accepted behavior. Yes, if people are hearing also, but still they are not protesting, because we deny things these days. We are in such a situation that we love to stay away from any sort of problems. So this ethical development and everything is all depends solely, completely upon yourself. The way you see people, the way you are being brought up, everything matters. It's not always necessary to correct someone. It's better to correct yourself. This should be the ethical principle these days. Correct yourself, people will learn from you, seeing you. You go and try to correct someone, people will say that you are a problem. You don't understand. you are lagging behind, you don't know the cool trends. So better make the development within yourself, so that the people surrounding you gets impacted. Make yourself that impactful by your behavior. This is ethics. Now you understanding that why I told that this subject needs depth. This is actually not a commerce based subject, but in every place ethics is important, whether it's commerce, whether it's arts, whether it's science. In every aspects of life ethics is important. The way a teacher comes to a college, the way a teacher says something needs ethics. The way a teacher teaches, the way a teacher checks students' copies, everything, everywhere you will find ethics. Kauke pabe je they are least bothered, kauke pabe they are very much bothered about students. So this is ethics. Ethics is everywhere. That's why this subject has been incorporated. And business, obviously, we know that we have studied company law. Why laws, rules, regulations? Just to maintain the ethics. But ethics is something which comes from inside. The person you are inside will reflect outside. তুমি ভেতরে কেমন সেটাই কিন্তু তোমার বাইরে রিফ্লেক্ট হবে। এবার তখন স্টুডেন্টসরা কোয়েশ্চেন করবে ক্লাস হলে, ম্যাম অনেকে তো এমন হয় বাইরে খুব ভালো ভেতরে চেনা যায় না। বাট একটা দিন তো তুমি চিনবে, একটা দিন তো তুমি বুঝবি, বিকজ আ পার্সন ক্যান নট লাই টু হিমসেলফ অর হারসেলফ। ইটস নট পসিবল। After a certain point of time, we all will come out in the way, the actual way we are. We cannot pretend for a long period of time. It's impossible. And the day he or she will show the real person will come out from inside, that they will understand the ethics of that person. Correct? I know this feels like means philosophical class and all, but this is the subject and this is the demand of the subject. So this is ethics. Correct? So business ethics means the code of conduct that a businessman is expected to follow. Now you know what are the code of conducts that a businessman is expected to tell the truth to the customers, okay, to sell good quality of product. Okay, this we will talk later about all these things. Okay, so business ethics means the code of conduct. Okay, fine. So what is the code of conduct? It refers to the set of principles and expectation. Obviously, when we go to a place, we expect something. When you go to college, you expect that classes will be taken by this teacher, that teacher and all. Okay, or you expect that 5 rupees tiffin will be given. So you expect whenever you go somewhere. Similarly, when we go to a place to buy something, when we go to a businessman, we expect certain things from him or from her. Correct? We expect certain things. So, these expectations of the customer, of the creditor, of the government, whoever it is, forms the code of conduct of the businessman. Forms what? The code of conduct of the businessman. Correct? So this is ethics. Now we will deal with the ethical principles. There are certain ethical philosophies. There are certain what? Ethical philosophies. Okay, in the next video I'm continuing this.